Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the window, power, rear sliding, airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, sunroof, power, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cooled, driver and front passenger, LPO, on-the-job package, LTZ Plus package, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD/DVD player and navigation, and the LPO, all-weather floor mats. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.